Trubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Nong yalam jong ka TMC nakajala Meghalaya Dr. Mukul sangma henegasngi haba jubab la undang ne bar ka TMC ne unpunya so no bar ki wei ki seng san perthei ulaong ba udan bar ka TMC ulaong balada ki don hakalyang sinshar ne shakalyang persha ka Kamram jongki kadi ban trei na kamda ki pat ba ka thong ba hakmat kadi ban jubab ya ka Kamram ka baki de ban trei ni trei shitom ban Pynkhlaiñ ya ka seng ka bangi don Dr. Mukul sangma ulaong baka Kamram ka jung kumunong yalam ka diban Pynkhlaiñ ka seng bat man ka seng san perthei ki diban pet ya ka ei ka baki diban le nak banta ki pat ba ngim diban long kum uwe na ki bayat ho ya ka ei ka banja hadien ka ei ka bang yu banta ka long baka jila ka dan ha ka jingma bat unshim ya ka rai kat kum ka jing sngot ho jong ki pat ba namar ka Kamram jongi ka diban shakri na ka banta ki pat ba ngilatrei kat ka bala na ka banta jongki ulaong ula benrap ru da ka baong baphin so iya ki hakini khandiat por bakin sapun pau ya ka e ka baki badan hakabor ki punan kam bakla ya ka om na ka banta ka jimentoy ki pat ba philai I habe dei bar udaw yong hak babaro ki mi ban pen pau ya ka jingkershan ya ka sarkar.
See, I am in TMC and as a party in the state of Meghalaya, in our state legislative assembly, we are vested with this responsibility. We have to always see one thing, that whether we are in the government or in the opposition, our role revolves around serving the people, protecting the interests of the people. So therefore, it is the priority is to respond to this call of duty and fulfill it. Therefore, to think about joining any political, building a political party or strengthening the existing political party, we are trying to strengthen the existing political party to which we belong. You have seen last time during the by-election where there was such a long-drawn electoral battle. How much forces they have to deploy? The party in power. How many days the Chief Minister stayed put in the constituency? Were we not formidable? Yes, we were. Therefore, people can have their own narratives. People can presume and assume. But at the same time, I think as far as my responsibility and the responsibility of my comrades and colleagues in the party are concerned, we need to strengthen our party. The present dispensation, you have seen how they have been engaging in this constant poaching. Therefore, every political party will be under scrutiny of the people. That's precisely the reason why you are asking me this question. But at the same time, I think as political dynamics unfold, we can never somehow, I must say, I don't want to be somebody like an astrologer to say something about the future. But what I can say with certainty is that the people of the state of Meghalaya are vigilant, are alert. I am connected with the people. I know what is in the mind of the people. And therefore, I will take a call as per the mind of the people. Because my responsibility revolves around serving our beloved people. I have been given this privilege. I'm happy. I'm thankful to people, grateful to people. We have done whatever we could thus far. And whatever responsibility will come based on the challenges that confront the people, confront the state. Not the challenges that confront Mukul Sangma, but the challenges which confront the state of Meghalaya, the challenges which confront our people. That will particularly be the main factor to give me that kind of sense of, rather, the strategy that I need to adopt.
Doctor, in that case, in Khase Jante Hills especially, the power of TMC.
Try to strengthen the party in Khase. Let me be frank. Did we try? We did not try. We have not tried. We have never tried. Because we have fought only one election. And as soon as this whole merger took place, and as soon as our new identity with TMC became, a part and integral part of the political system in the state of Meghalaya, we saw lots of people, gravitating towards this party. It is a different thing that we could not really take that kind of political mileage to ensure that they were all converted into our strong support base and also to our vote base. We have not been able to try because what people wanted and why people gravitated towards that political party at that point of time, at the beginning part, and why slowly, there was a sudden slow erosion in this part of the state. We have to understand. As a political analyst, many people will probably understand. As far as I'm concerned, I understand. I understand why it is. I understand why, the announcement of one new political party with me and my comrades and colleagues had that kind of, force, to act like an epicenter to create that whole gravitational force for people to come at certain point of time. Why we couldn't actually somehow hold on to that and convert that into our strong political support base. So I understand that, and then those are things which gives me reason to have that kind of hope. People of the state have demonstrated their wisdom based on that kind of prevailing political situation at that point of time. I must say that. No, they may be having this wishful thinking, but you see, opposition is opposition. I think whatever numbers are there in the opposition, both TMC and BPP is enough. Yes, to effectively deal with this present dispensation and expose all their whatever alleged irregularities they have implemented or are doing. Probably they have that sense of impunity with which they can continue, but they are wrong. They are wrong. You will see in reasonable period of time how things unfold and how we expose them, expose their self-centric agendas, expose their anti-people programs. I am being very, very frank. Yes, how power is being misused and abused at the cost of the interests of the state. You are seeing all those kind of unfortunate things unfolding in different parts of the state. You have recently seen that coal issue. Very strange stories. Everybody tries to protect and defend all illegalities that take place in the state of Meghalaya. So that means it is up to people of the state to really look at the main intent and the priority of the government. The effort of the government, I can see, they come up with one after another thing to somehow dislocate the narrative on issues which are more important, which can have serious ramification in the overall interest of the state as a whole, which can have serious implication in the future of our generation next. All those issues. I was telling some friends, that's why go and take try to leverage upon the various laws which we have passed. The right to information. Just for yourself, find out how much associations, sporting clubs, sporting associations were assisted during our time by institutionalizing the system with deputy commissioners as the chairman, decentralizing everything and then empowering every officer in sync with the kind of responsibilities vested upon them. How they have been undone and how slowly these programs and policies of the governments are being weaponized to fulfill their self-centric agendas. You'll be surprised to see how many consultants are appointed and who are those consultants and who are the beneficiaries of those consultants. Number of consultants. Find out for yourself. Find out as to who are the beneficiaries of those consultants, who are appointing, the manner of appointment, the mode of appointment, the quantum of money. So, friends, they can't go with this kind of activities which is completely against the interests of the people with impunity. They will be exposed and we will do our job.